El poema que voy a leer lo escribió William Shakespeare sobre el año 1600 y habla sobre la belleza de su amada. Y dice que mientras alguien lea estos versos, la belleza de su amada nunca morirá. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day, thou more lovely and more temperate? Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer sleets hath all too short a date. Sometime too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often in his gold complexion dimmed. And every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance of nature changing course untrimmed. But the eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou wast, nor shall death brag that wanders in his shade. When in eternal lines to time thou growest, so long as men can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee.